Hey guys, I'm Ariel and I received the month of November solid subscription box. So really quickly, I'm going to give you just a few details about the box and then show you guys what I received for this month. So the box is $25 and it comes with 3 yards of fabric that can come in 3 pieces of 1 yard cuts, or 2 pieces of 1.5 yard cuts, or a 2 yard cut and a 1 yard cut. So either way, it's just going to equal up to be 3 yards. Then you guys will not know what you receive until you actually receive it, and I'm going to show you guys what I received for the month of November. And okay, so it's French terry. We have this super pretty. It feels really good too. This is a 1 yard cut of French terry. That means my other one should be 2. And I already know what this is going to be. And then, ooh, hello. Yeah, olive green is my favorite color, so I feel like this one is really made just for me. So this is a 2 yard cut of olive green French terry, and they feel really great. They really do. And I just love the color olive green. And now I already know what this one's gonna be. So yeah, that's the month of November solid subscription box. Thank you.